It is important to promote diversity, equity, and inclusion within the pharmaceutical industry to create a healthy work environment and allow for more diversity of thought and advancement in our workplaces. Women in Pharma is advancing diversity, equity, and inclusion by starting the conversation.
If it had not been for Women in Pharma, I'm not sure I would have had the confidence to pursue this career. As I started to attend more Women in Pharma panels and hear women's stories and see women in leadership, it gave me the confidence that I could one day be in a role like that, where I could lead a team and I could also become a mentor to other young women trying to pursue a career in an industry that is mostly male dominant.
I am blessed and grateful to belong to a group that I truly feel has the best interest in mind, because we're all volunteers. No one's competing for a role, for a specific job, for a promotion, or credit. We all succeed together and we all fail together.
The beginning of the pandemic, lots of people lost their jobs and they were not able to live in homes anymore. And because of that, we went to the streets in order to give to them not only the kids, but also some hope. So it was very important for this team of Women in Pharma, almost 10 people, to be involved in this kind of action and community support.
I'm not sure I could be as brave or as fierce as I am today if I didn't have the network of women and men that surround me on a daily basis. The Women in Pharma community is holding me accountable for practicing what I preach. And I'm looking forward to what is next, not only for my career, but also for Women in Pharma.